Forbes Media Chair, Editor-in-Chief Steve Forbes. Steve, it's great to have you back on. Your reaction to that Gallup report. You know, Gallup is also reporting less than half of Americans, something like 47%, are happy with their financial lives. Gallup is saying that's near a record low, and we have Democrat strategist James Carville saying the president, quote, should not be going out and telling people how great the economy is. What do you think?
Because the economy isn't that great. Even though you have about half the population have lost ground, even though those who are moving ahead right now don't have much faith in the future. They see real headwinds out there. You have people working fewer hours each week, which is not a sign of a booming economy coming along. And you look overseas, everything seems to be unraveling. So there's no faith in the future. The economy's not doing that well, and people are falling behind, millions of them with credit cards, and the ones that are being hurt the most are those with the least. Biden promised to help them. He's let them down, and that's why they're turning against him.
You know what's really fueling also GDP growth, Steve, and you've talked about this, is government deficit spending, right? A ton of government money pouring into the markets, into the economy, hot money, you know, after lockdowns from the pandemic, you know, that hot money drove inflation higher. And you know what happened today, Steve? I wanted to get your reaction to this exchange between Senator John Kennedy and Treasury Secretary Yellen. Secretary Yellen is saying prices will not be coming down. Watch this.
Madam Secretary, I've watched you for years, even before I came to Washington. And
excuse me, Bob. It's okay.
When I have time, I do. I enjoy reading your speeches. I think you're what cool looks like. You're a good sport to go out every day and try to defend Bidenomics. It's like trying to defend a fungal infection. These high prices caused by Bidenomics are here to stay, aren't they?
Well, the high prices were not caused by Bidenomics. We suffered a pandemic that resulted in severe dislocations.
Yes, ma'am, but if I could ask you, they're here to stay, aren't they?
I don't expect the level of prices to go down, and wages are going up.
If you don't get a pay raise, you're screwed. It'll take a recession to get these prices down.
Well, we don't have to get the prices down.
Okay, we don't have to get the prices down because wages are going up. By the way, is Bidenomics really like a fungal infection, as Senator Kennedy said? What do you think, Steve?
Well, I'd love to hear him speak precisely because of his rather pungent way of putting things, right. A graphic way of putting things. But the people are not feeling that their wages are going up in a sufficient way to make up for lost ground. They're not able to vastly increase their savings again, where they feel they have a brighter future. The housing market still remains a mess, dislocations from COVID and the Federal Reserve gumming things up. And she said the prices went up because of COVID. That's part of it, but the Federal Reserve then printed trillions of dollars to finance massive government spending. And there are consequences of that. She won't acknowledge that, whether her toes are good or not.
Okay, Steve Forbes, thanks for handling that segment. We appreciate you always. You got a lot of class and elegance there, Steve Forbes. Appreciate it.